This is a recording of the first drive of my Locost 7 that I started building in September 2008. Well, I bought the donor car in September 2008, and then January 2009 is when I bought the steel for the frame. We're sorry for some of the recording. My granddaughter was a little cold and was less concerned about where she was aiming the camera than trying to stay warm in the car. It's a little chilly here today, even though 2 days ago it was 90 degrees.
Recording? Yes, I'm recording.
Okay. First drive.
Oh.
Without a tune.
Without a tune. I don't know what that is.
Well, the engine's not tuned up.
Oh.
Tune, no windshield, no front fenders.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
See the fuel pressure gauge that I temporarily installed. It's sitting up at the front of the hood opening. Also, the speedometer is correct, but all the other gauges are either not working or like the tach. I think it's running at double speed. Building this thing.
Oh, this area. This was so hard to ride our bike on. Huh? We were trying to ride our bike over here. It was so hard. Oh, it's so quiet.
Pretty well.
It does, and it's scary when it does. I'm scared the laptop's just gonna fly out. Don't do this. Don't go fast. Don't go fast. Look at us and be like, who is that? Don't. Okay, which way is home? Oh, this way. It's hard to take a video when it's so loud. And we're back home.
And we're back home.
Where it's safe.
Well,
And where my guinea pigs are. Where my dog is. I'm safe. It's warm. My feet are hurt. I'm happy.
Thank you.